Are you missing out on tapping into your Instagram audience who might be your potential customers? Or are you feeling exhausted from struggling to grow your website traffic and sales? It's time to rethink your strategy. I've got something better. WP Social Ninja, a no-code solution that lets you seamlessly embed your Instagram feed on your WordPress in just minutes. Showcase authentic user-created content, interact with your audience, and make your business flourish. Let's see how you can set it up easily and customize the feed like a pro. Head on to WP Social Ninja's dashboard. You can spot Instagram and social feeds. Once selected, you will get a message regarding connecting a personal account. So today, let's stick with Business Basic account. But if you manage client accounts and they're hesitant to share their password, no worries. WP Social Ninja's Access Token Generator is your friendly need. Get the token from your client, paste it, and save the changes. With WP Social Ninja's GDPR protection, it's safer and faster. Your Instagram feed is ready to embed now and available in both free and pro versions. It's time to jazz up your feed. Let's start with the source options, which are open by default. So choose your feed type and user account. It is important to wisely select templates and layouts. If you want to play it out like a slideshow, pick a carousel layout and define how many posts you want per slide. Also, you can set autoplay for this. Well, filter options in WP Social Ninja let you selectively display social media posts on your website. Define your post type and show only posts with a specific hashtag. Done! Want to hide certain posts? It's easy. Now, let's see what you can do with the post options. The image aspect ratio is there. Awesome! There is a lot more to do, but for now, what is more valuable is Shoppable Feed. It lets you directly sell products from your Instagram feed through your WordPress site. Just enable Shoppable Feed, click the Add button, and paste your promotional URL. You can choose to open it in a new tab and customize your button text. After that, select Display Shoppable Icon to make a shop icon appear on the post, which converts your Instagram post into a virtual storefront. It's time to customize your header. Very easy. Make sure which account you want to display first, and then you have full control of the rest of the options, including customizing your profile photo and bio. Do it as you please. Alright, so everything looks good as of now, but you have the full flexibility to customize additional features to your needs. Let's head to the style options. By enabling style, you'll discover many ways to tweak your feed. Want to update the feed header? No worries. Tons of options are available for your touch. Let's see how statistics options work. It colors the counted likes and followers of your account, and spacing them is also available there. That's so cool. Content options are like a view changer for you. Well, everything looks good now. I'm pretty sure you're happy with your Instagram post. Now, all you need to do is save the template and embed it. Boom! Your Instagram feed now seamlessly updates on your site. And just like that, you've successfully added your Instagram photo feed to WordPress with no coding and in just a few clicks. You can increase dwell time with fresher content and turn your visitors into a consumer. WP Social Ninja doesn't limit you to Instagram. It allows you to integrate other social media feeds, pull in reviews, add a chat widget, notification pop-ups, testimonials, and more to enhance user engagement. To power up your WordPress site with social media, grab WP Social Ninja now. Catch you in the next one!